There was a big disaster in China. The virus named SARS spread all over China. It made a lot of time to recover. People thought after such disaster, there would be no virus like that in the short term. Unluckily, not so many years. There happened a new virus. It killed many people. People called it bird flu. The dangerous virus happened twice in China during the last 10 years. People start to do self-examination. The doctor suggests people wash their hands often. Be careful with the food. When we are out, taking our own daily use. Never share with others. In a word, preventing the bird flu needs our attention all the time. SARS.